MLB.TV is currently experiencing technical difficulties, causing outages for many users attempting to stream opening day games. The service disruption began around 3 p.m. ET, with nearly 8,500 issues reported on Down Detector. Users have encountered error messages such as network error, please try again later when attempting to access the service. MLB Fan Support has acknowledged the issue, stating that they have resolved earlier problems for Android TV and Fire TV users, and that tonight's games will be available on those devices. They have apologized for the outage. If you are still experiencing issues, consider the following troubleshooting steps. Restart your device. Power cycle your streaming device to clear any temporary glitches. Update the MLB app. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. Check your internet connection. A stable and strong internet connection is essential for streaming. C'est plus ouvert. Awful announcing. Contact MLB.TV support. If problems persist, reach out to MLB.TV customer support for further assistance.